Good morning, friends. Session 41. In this, we have to calculate the rank correlation coefficient. If the marks which has been given by the first judge and the second judge has been repeated at the time, how to calculate the rank correlation coefficient? Here 75 has been repeatedly given the marks which has been by the judges. So at the time, here first we have to apply the formula, that is the rank correlation coefficient. As we know, it is the 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n. In this, we have to adjust, that it is the 1 by 12 into m cube minus m. This you have to modify the formula. We shall discuss that one. Here say we have been applied the here modified formula for the rank correlation. Here first we have to assign the ranks for the 80, 78, 75, 75 two times it has been repeated, 68, 67, 60, 57. Now we shall assign the ranks. The highest one is the 80, first rank, 78, second rank, then third, fourth, 75, 75 two times is there. It is the 3.5, 3.5. Then 68, fifth rank, 67, sixth rank, 60, seventh rank, 57, eighth rank. So this is how we have been assigned the ranks. Then again the ranks for the second judge. Second judge marks has been given as 12, 13, 14, 3 times, then 16, 15, 17. Or two, the highest one here is it is the 17, 17 first rank. 16, only one item is there, it is the second rank. Then 15, third rank. Fourth rank, fifth rank, sixth rank has been for the 14. If you divide this one by 3, you will get as the 5, 5 as the equal rank. For the 14, 3 14s, the equal ranks is 4, 4, 4 plus 5 plus 6, that it is the, you will get it as the 5. Then next rank is 7 and next rank is 8. Now we have to find the differences between the judgment given by the first judge and the ranks which has been given by the second judge. 1 minus 8 minus 7, 2 minus 7 minus 5, 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5, 3.5 minus 5 minus 1.5, 5 minus 5, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 7 minus 3, 4, 8 minus 1, 7. So these are the differences which has been taken from the ranks assigning, then finding the difference between the first and the second one, and it has been denoted as the D. After getting the differences between the first judge and the second judge, again we have to square this one. That it is the D square. Minus 7 into minus 7 plus 49. Minus 5 into minus 5, 25. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, 2.25. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, 2.25. 0 into 0, 0. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 16. 7 into 7, 49. The total of the d square, in order to apply for the formula 1 minus 6 sigma d square, it is required that you have to obtain the d square total. D square total, it comes to 49 plus 25, 2.25, 2.25 plus 16 plus 16 plus 49. Total it comes to 159.5. Then here ranks which has been repeated 75 two times and 14 three times. We have to here adjust or modify the formula, that is 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n cube minus n, 1 by 12 m cube minus m. That it is the formula that you have to use it. Here 1 minus 6 into sigma d square 159.5. 159.5. Then 1 by 12 as it is. Then it is the 2 ranks has been repeated. In the first one, 75 has been repeated 2 times. The first judge who has given that for the 2, they have given equal ranks. According to him, both will get the same rank. So here we have to take in the 1 by 12 into 2. 2 into 2 square minus 1. Then 1 by 12 again in the second series. 14 occurred 3 times. That is the repeated items are 3. In the earlier, repeated items are 2. Here, repeated items are 3. M means 3 here. Now, 1 by 12 as it is, M 3 into 3 square minus 1. This formula has to be used in order to calculate the, again, n into n square minus 1 or n cube minus n, 1 and the same. If you simplify this one, we'll get the RS. When equal ranks has been given also, we'll get the RS, rank correlation. How means? Here, simplify 1 minus, here 6 into 159.5, 957. Then 1 by 12 into 2 into 2 square minus 1, 2 square. It is the, you will get the entire amount as the 2 square as the 4 minus 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 6 divided by 12, 0.5. 0.5. 2 times it has been repeated means at the time we will get the 0.5. 3 times it has been repeated means if we simplify this one, we will get the 2. Here see. 3 square, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 3, 24. 24 divided by 12, it comes to 2. Here modification or adjustment of the, when equal ranks has been occurred at the time, if the 2 times it has been occurred, it is the 0.5. If 3 times has been occurred, it is the 2. Has to be, have to adjust here. Here 1 minus 957 plus 0.5 plus 2, it comes to 959.5 divided by 504. 1 minus, if you simplify this one, which one? Numerator and the denominator. Numerator is 959.5. Denominator is 504. If you here simplify or divide, you will get 1.90. 1 minus 1.90. RS is equal to, it is the minus 0.90. Here the correlation coefficient between the two judges. That is the X and Y series. X and Y series, R1 and R2, here negative correlation. That it is the two judges is having the negative correlation between among the opinions among them. So this is the 0.90. 90. Here is the, there exists a strong negative correlation between the X judge and Y judge. For the X series, the first judge has been given the here judgment, and they for the second one Y series, the second judge has given the marks means then the between among between the A and B or X and Y, there is a strong negative correlation. So here reference quantitative methods for business, CMT Code, Himalaya Publishing House. Thank you.